Welcome back. You may find yourself at a crossroads when you're using 11 Labs. You'll need to determine whether it's going to be worth your time in order to get your settings just right within each chapter or even within the speech synthesis tab. For this particular case, if we go into our chapter settings and we click on the settings, once we're in our chapter and we are inside of our text and we look at our voice settings, we can work with the controls here in this area and not necessarily use the default settings. So you'll see that the similarity tab is already at 90%. There isn't much that we can do in order to increase it. It's unlikely that making changes here will affect much in terms of what it is that we are going to experience. And so once we make changes, what we can do is we can then play it to determine if it is going to make a difference when we actually render the project. So we want to make sure that we have our automatic continuation. We then want to click play. In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize areas for improvement. This methodical approach is crucial in navigating the multifaceted nature of organizational challenges, where issues can span from operational inefficiencies to strategic misalignments. So basically what we have is a volume problem which can be solved with editing. This would not save us as much time as we would want if we're going to use an AI voice in our professionally cloned voice. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.